Welcome back. We got a 2012 Honda Civic that has a weird problem with its door glass here. It's a little wonky. Let's figure out what's wrong with it. Got a little panel here you got to remove. Screw hidden underneath. There's screws under here too. Gotta get underneath here and pry this up and out. Pull it forward to release that little end there. There you can get over here and plug these. This plug has a little locking cam mechanism on it. You got to push in on that and then pry that out that way. It'll pull the plug out. The other one is just a little push tab here. You push on, pull it out. That's out of the way. We can get our screws now. These are Phillips heads. One here and one right there. And get behind the door panel with a pry tool. Start popping those clips off. Or just pull. That. There's one up there. Here we go. And lift off. Here's all the plastic tabs. Now we could peel back the plastic and see what's going on here. And by the looks of it, I would guess that someone was here once before. My friend bought this car used, so let's see what happened. Yeah, that's busted. We're gonna plug our switch back in so we could run the window down a little bit and see what's going on with it. Move the window down a little bit and you could see glass is not hooked up. And the bolt is sitting down here. Someone didn't tighten this up. We got to look at the front one too to see what's going on with that, because there was weird clicking noise. Hopefully it didn't get broken. Let's get this back in position. See if that bolt will tighten up. And we may have this problem fixed. Put the bolt back in, and we have a functioning window. That was easy. Before we close this up, we're going to lube up all the pivot points and check all the rest of the bolts holding everything in place here. My theory is that someone maybe put a regulator back in this a long time ago and was rushing, didn't tighten everything up. If you want to pull the regulator out, you have these bolts to come out. Actually, yeah, this one's loose. What else is loose? This one's loose. We already tightened the other one in there. That one was tight. Check these. All right, simple repair. One of our door panel clips did not want to leave the door, so we'll pry that back out and put it into the door panel. Put the plastic back and the door panel back and you're done. And if you were paying attention, you don't even have to remove this. It stays on the other side of the door. Now, if this video helped you, I love helping people, but I need your help too. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.